because a few years back I read this book, Manga in Theory and Practice by one-hit wonder 𝕵𝖊𝖘𝖚 Araki. I tried filling out character sheets, hoping I'd make writing stories for my comic easier. I was trying to trust the process, but I just ended up frustrated, wasting time writing things about characters that I know won't matter to the plot. For real though, who cares if my MC likes chocolate if he's fighting a dragon? I will say this, there is stuff on the sheet that you need to know about your characters, like their names for example, but I still find it pretty useless to sit down and fill it out. So now I do this. I think about what I want to say to the reader through the story, like living righteously is honoring your parents regardless of your career, or the life of an animal isn't more valuable than a human. Then I just think about who I want the character to be in the story, like a pro wrestler or a cat lady. Then I think, is this a cautionary tale or not? This helps me to know how the story is going to end in one of four ways. 1. They become a better person. 2. They become a worse person. 3. They inspire people around them to become better. 4. They corrupt the people around them to become worse. Then I think, what does that identity lead the character to believe about themselves in relation to God, people, or the thing they care about the most? Perhaps a pro wrestler means being the perfect son in the eyes of his dad, carrying on the mantle of the legendary masked wrestler 𝕷𝖔𝖗𝖚. Perhaps being a cat lady leads this woman to believe that she is their queen and has the authority to decide what is best for all cat kind regardless of what people say. Because I know what the story is about, who the story is about, and how the story ends, I find it easier and faster to write about what actually matters to the characters without using a character sheet. No more favorite foods. Thanks for watching and God bless.